Although water softeners can be a great luxury, a dual tank water softener may actually be a necessity depending on your specific needs. But with all the options on the market, which provides the best value? That's why we have researched and reviewed the top 3 dual tank water softener systems. We'll explain the differences between each model to find you the best solution to get the soft water flowing. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall option is the US Water Systems Twin Alternating Water Softener. The US Water Light Duty Twin Alternating Water Softener completely removes hard water buildup in your home's pipes and can even work in small commercial settings. The softener system is built with the latest technology to include a digital display meter, so you can easily view the status of the US water system and troubleshoot any issues that may come up. It works around the clock because it has an automatic backwash system that keeps the water free of calcium and magnesium residues, so you never run out of soft water, unlike with a single tank softener. Depending on your needs, it comes with various flow rates options between 7 gallons per minute up to 17 gallons per minute, so you don't need to worry about a drop in water pressure. The system also has a grain capacity of between 22,500 and 75,000 that comes pre-equipped with premium grade resin. The US water softener is easy to install with low maintenance, as it automatically cleans the tank depending on your usage and fills the salt tank with soft water without the need for any ongoing maintenance after setup. This also means you save on salt because it only regenerates when needed. Since the tanks are built with a high-quality polymer composite and stainless steel valves, it'll last for years to come. For added peace of mind, US Water offers a 10-year warranty on the tanks and a 5-year warranty on the valves. This makes the US Water Light Duty Twin Alternating Water Softener one of your best investments in water softeners. The pros are that you never run out of soft water. It saves salt and water because it only regenerates when needed. There's no drop in water pressure with the high flow rates, and easy maintenance, and it includes a 10-year warranty. The cons are that it may require professional installation if not DIY inclined, and the flow rate is less suitable for large commercial uses. Next, at number 2 is the Fleck 9100 SXT Twin Tank Water Softener System. The Fleck's 9100 SXT Dual Tank Water Softener is one of the highest selling water softeners due to its efficient functionality at a reasonable price point. The tanks are constructed using a fiber-reinforced polymer body, giving it the durability to resist rust and UV damage, so it will last for the long term. The system features a 5-cycle control head that is able to eliminate high calcium and magnesium compounds, which results in water that won't create scale buildup. The Fleck also supports a water flow rate of 20 gallons per minute, making it perfect for even large homes or commercial settings without a drop in water pressure. Best of all, the dual tank design can save up to 15% on salt and water by utilizing the full capacity of the tank that is currently in use before switching to the backup tank, so you aren't wasting resources with constant backwashing. Because the Fleck has a grain capacity of between 24,000 and 110,000, it will completely remove all sorts of residues and hardness, making it one of the best water softeners on the market. And in case you ever face a power failure, the Fleck Twin Tank Water Softener will continue running due to its smart memory chip that pre-saves your programming settings, so you don't have to worry about resetting it. In terms of quality, the Fleck is NSF approved and comes with a high-grade 8% resin that is durable enough to handle even the harshest water supply. The 2 mineral tanks are sized at 8 by 44 inches that are fully manufactured in the USA. The pros are the 10-year warranty with a no-risk money-back guarantee. The dual tank design saves on salt and water consumption. It works 24/7, so you never run out of soft water. And the durable polymer tanks will last for the long term. The cons are that installation can be difficult if not DIY inclined, and it's not well suited for heavy commercial use. At number 3 is the Fleck 9500 SXT Twin Tank Water Softener System. If you need a system capable of handling heavy-duty tasks, look no further. The Fleck 9500 is a commercial water softener that features the superior SXT digital control, as well as an electronic meter. The Fleck 9500 SXT is a step up from the Fleck 9100 SXT for 2 times the regeneration rate and a huge 40-gallon per minute flow and a higher backwash flow of 16 GPM. It has an improved distribution system and regenerates immediately when it's needed for continuous soft water. The regeneration tank can be conveniently connected directly to your water source and automatically regenerates your system only when needed, so it saves on water and salt expenses. Once your system has been set up, all you have to do is push a button to start the process and forget about it. With a grain capacity of up to 300,000, the unit will completely remove excess minerals from hard water, allowing your faucets and appliances to run more smoothly without any scale buildup. The increased flow also means less energy is used in heating your home or office building, making it the best dual-tank water softener for commercial purposes. In terms of durability, the Fleck control head is constructed with solid lead-free brass and 1.5 valves that are corrosion-resistant and will last for years to come. It's also backed with a 5-year warranty on the control head with a 10-year warranty on the tanks. The pros are the high 40 GPM flow rate, the low maintenance requirements after initial setup, the custom 5-cycle control capabilities, and the 10-year warranty with no-risk money-back guarantee. The cons are that it's a more premium-priced option, and installation may be difficult if not DIY inclined. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive Freshnss discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.